As Grubandtherangerz here, and this is going to be part 2 of our footage from Operation Red Star 2. So let's get into it. So right now I am pushing to meet up with troops, pushing the, as I call it, the mechanics area where all the mechanic shops are, so we can search for more objectives. We control all blue, white, red, and black buildings basically. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the push.
On your 6. Wait, is that tan? Are you?
It is at this point I realized something is wrong with my M203, which later I found out that the firing pin had been broken through the morning. So I will be switched to using the front end of my pliers, which you guys will see here in a second.
Where?
Green. I'm coming behind you.
I see one up by the tower. Have you been searched?
How have you?
I'm gonna try something. You probably don't want to stand in front of me. Where is he? Right there?
They're moving left to purple now.
Oh, this is a bad idea. This is my thumb. Oh, such a bad idea.
Here, use this Gerber, dude.
I just need an extra piece there. Ooh, hey, watch out. I should probably pull mine.
Left.
Did you mark it?
No, that was tag.
Right there when Mills asked if I marked it, what he was meaning is I was running 2 types of tag rounds, chalk and Reapers. As you guys know, Reapers explode after 3.5 seconds, chalk mark targets, so it kind of puts like a marker. So he was wondering if I was going to kill infantry, or by asking by marking if I was marking an objective or like large enemy force for people to stay focused on, which I was just trying to kill a few people with the tag, so.
Oh shit, hit! Woo! Oh, it's underneath there. Yeah, it's right under there. It's right underneath you.
Where are they? Where are they?
To fill you guys in a little bit, we've been looking for this objective for like 10 minutes, and someone found it under the desk as he got shot. So at this point we are grabbing the objective and getting ready to exfil out of the building.
They're in the... Where? How close 12? How close 12?
Where I'm shooting into those bushes right there.
Just those bushes?
Yeah, behind them to the right. There's one.
Okay.
You want to take it back to ours? Yeah. Yeah. We did! What do we get if we take it?
Hey, John, is my camera going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jacob, I'm getting ready to take off the rod.
I don't need it. My gun shoots under 350.
Yeah.
I see him. Watch her.
He's going right now.
Watch it. Boom, right on him. Call it.
Okay, so a guy peeked out and then immediately peeked back once these guys started shooting at him. I launched a tag round landing right where he had just peeked out, which killed him. I wasn't yelling call it to say he didn't call his hit, because he did call it. I was just yelling call it because it was a pretty nice shot in my opinion.
We need that, yeah.
Go.
We're currently right now trying to pop smoke behind everybody so that we can move out with a minimal back backlighting per se, so that they don't see all of us leave at once.
They just take off or something.
Go, go.
Ow, my arm cramp.
Well guys, that's going to wrap it up for part 2 of Operation Red Star. Tune in for part 3 where myself, Wander, and the Russian Bush Wookiee, I'd like to say that's what we called them, go and sneak around and kill some tan and, you know, get some footage basically. So until next time guys, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the battlefield.